Understanding the phrase, up in arms, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, up in arms. This is a common expression in English, often used in daily conversations and news reports. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive in. The phrase, up in arms, is an idiom, which means being very upset or angry about something. It's used to express strong opposition or protest. Originally, this phrase had a literal meaning related to soldiers taking up arms or weapons. However, in modern usage, it's purely figurative and doesn't involve actual weapons. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Residents were up in arms over the proposed construction of a new shopping mall. 2. The new policy has teachers up in arms, they're demanding changes. Notice how the phrase is used to convey strong emotions and collective discontent. Knowing synonyms can help you better grasp the essence of up in arms. Some synonyms include outraged, indignant, incensed, agitated. When using up in arms in your conversations, remember, it's suitable for informal and formal contexts. Ensure the situation involves strong negative emotions. It's often used to talk about groups of people rather than individuals. That's all about the phrase, up in arms. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you in your English learning journey. Remember, understanding idioms like this can add flair to your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.